Story 30.
Jessica.
Words we know.
Boy, ready, very, money, baby, silly, cried, her, corner, together, brother, one, feel, keep, tree, made, game, chase, flew, chew, above, mean, reach, warm, learn, earth, heard.
New sound.
E, as in tree. Nt, as in didn't.
Special words.
Toy, really. Answer, sun. Replied, because. Jessica. Jessica didn't like her bat and ball. She didn't like her toy bear or toy cat. It seemed that she just didn't like her toys at all. She told her mother how she felt about toys. She said, "I want to talk to you, Mum. I just don't like my toys." But her mum answered, "I don't have time at the moment, Jessica. I have things to do. You must like playing with your toys." So she went to her dad. She said, "I want to talk to you, Dad. You see, I just don't like toys. I really like talking." And her dad answered, "I don't have time at the moment, Jessica. I'm sweeping. You must like playing with your toys." Jessica replied, "No, I don't, Dad. I do not like playing with my toys, not one little bit. I don't even want to keep them." "Then go for a swim in the pool," said her dad. But Jessica didn't want to swim in the pool. She went away feeling sad. One day, Jessica's mum and dad wanted to go out. She went to stay with a friend of her mum's. The friend had a son called Lee. Lee said, "I'm so glad you have come. There are no boys or girls in my street, and I really like having someone to talk to." Then Lee said, "But you may not like being with me very much because I have no toys for you to play with." Jessica looked so happy. "I don't like toys one little bit," she replied, "and I just love talking. I love doing things to help friends too." "That's good," said Lee. "I'm glad you came. I'm pleased to meet you. Let's cook some lunch together." Jessica had such a good time with Lee, and Lee had such a good time with Jessica. The children became good friends. "Come back soon," said Lee. "I will," said Jessica, and she did. She felt pleased that Lee wanted to be with her. Lee liked talking with Jessica, He liked it too when she helped him with his jobs. And Jessica loved to feel wanted.
Words we've used.
Answer. Toy, boy, because, really, laugh, whole, replied, cried, became, son, learn.
Some new words.
Deep, feet, weak, it's, isn't, wasn't, hasn't, mustn't, hadn't.